He's coming to the decoys, Dad. Let him keep coming, buddy, okay? I'd shoot him. Shoot him. It's that simple.
Way to go, dude.
Stick the scope in my nose too.
Let me see your nose. Oh, you're not bleeding. That's a plus. Let's go check him out. What do you think? Made a dandy shot on him. We are here with Caden Randall. This is his first successful turkey hunt of his career. Wisconsin puts his youth hunt on. This is probably the 5th or 6th year Wisconsin's put the youth hunt on, and gives the kids an opportunity to get after the birds a few days before the grown-ups do. So first season starts on Wednesday, and Dad and I absolutely love getting kids out and introducing them to the outdoors. And both these guys are off to a good start. Dad and I get to get a bow in our hands and get after them here in the next week or two.
He's afraid to make your decoys. Come on.
Can you move to get an open shot at him? Just need you to move the gun to one side or the other. Hang on, here we go. Okay, let him go. Shoot him. Hey, try to get a shot at him.
Right now.
Got it. Can you get an open shot at him or not?
Yeah, right here.
You got him?
No. That was so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He's a dandy.
Big boy. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I told you. I want to see him right now.
Okay, let's just go see him, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Come here, man. Pick him up. What do you got there? You get the dandy tail.
Yes, yes.
Might be a 3-year. Probably got a good solid 10-inch beard. 3/4 maybe spurs. Maybe a 3-year-old bird. I'm not picky, are you?
I'm not picky.
Where was that?
We moved down in this valley, hoping to get something going, and we sure have. There's a bird that gobbled on the other side up over here, and he worked his way across the bottom. He's now on our side, and it might be coming down this way to us.
classic spring turkey hunt right there. Didn't happen the way we wanted it to. The birds didn't come straight in like we wanted them to, but I mean, they gave us a heck of a show. They made us work for a little bit here. I was at least planning on leaving them. I just gave one last call, see if they gobble. And sure enough, they did. Except I wish the video would have worked a little better, but got to take them the way they come. What makes you think the video's not good? Is the video good? Who's behind the camera? So it's probably about, what, 5:30 a.m. No, watch you sit there and look cute. I dragged my butt out of bed, Mark dragged his butt out of bed. Came up here, sat down, beautiful spot. Last week the birds were all over in here. So, thought we'd give her a whirl this weekend. And the closest turkey's probably 500 yards, miles, counties away. We're gonna go out after him. Like I said, we got one gobble way off. So we're gonna see if we can't close the distance, see if we can't get him to play a game with us, make him a movie star. We'll see. An interview with the DSLR. We had a pretty good hunt here this morning. Son-in-law Mark here and I went out this morning, come over to this location. Pretty soon we heard a gobble way up, all set up on the point. Then here comes 3 jakes. Here comes 2 more heads up over the top, and they stood back up there. Knew right away them were definitely toms. Probably pushing 50, 55 yards there, and I know the gun will do it. So I told him to go ahead and take the shot. And nice hunt, awesome.
Thank you. Yes, it was.
Way to go. That was fun. Hot spot.